Our flashy referral system is ready to be used. Let's go implement it.
Hold on. We need to test it to make sure it will work.
Oh, really? Okay, fine. Let's get testing. Oh, so what do we need to test exactly?
First step is to make sure the program code has no errors. Then we can test different components of the system to make sure they work well.
Okay, so how will we do that?
We can first start by checking the referral form by making sure each field in the form will only accept the appropriate digit or number.
Okay, so how will we do that?
Well, for example, the Medicare number field can only have numeric characters and no alphabetical characters. So let's test that.
Oh no, I think we have a problem. I've entered a doctor's name in the provider number and it won't accept it.
That's not a problem. That's great news. I'm glad you are testing all different types of scenarios, Sharky.
Oh yeah, I'm so good.
It means the program works well. Only correct data can be entered.
That sounds cool. Should we also check the specialist can retrieve a referral?
Yes. Good thinking, Sharky. Let's check the correct specialist will get the right referral and not any other referral.
I just checked and the neurologist got a referral I made up for an urologist. Things are working great. This system is just so flashy.
No, it's not. They are two different departments. But in a way, that's a good thing. I'm glad we are picking it up now. Better fix that.
Okay, it all seems to work. Let's implement it now.
Hold on. We are not done just yet. We need to now test that the different components work together, and then as a final step, make sure the system works as a whole.
What do you mean by as a whole?
Well, we need to be sure a GP can enter a referral, that it gets sent to the appropriate specialist and department, and then make sure they can view and accept the referral.
Okay, and then we will have to make sure once it's accepted, the patient and the GP get notified that the appointment has been made. I think we're done. Let's implement.
No! We need to come up with a training plan.
When will this end?
Okay, so we need to decide who needs to be trained and what types of training is needed. I'm talking about training people in our system, not you doing your training. Are you paying attention, Sharky?
Oh, yes, of course I am. Let's train the people who will use the system.
So that would be the GPs, the specialists, managers, and administration staff.
So how will we teach them to use our flashy system?
I think the best way is to have some hands-on interactive training. We can show the GPs how to enter the information correctly. We can show the specialist how to accept the referral. The admin staff will also need to be trained, just so they know how the system works, just in case.
But if we train them all at once, I think I'll get confused.
Oh, Sharky, we will train them in groups. First, just the GPs, so they can fully understand how to enter all the details needed to make sure the referral will be accepted by the system.
Then we can train the specialists. I want to make sure they understand how they have to accept the referral so that an appointment will be made. And then the awesome system will notify the patient and the GP.
That's my favourite part of the system.
Mine too. Should we provide them with a manual just in case?
Good thinking, Sharky.
Can we make a YouTube video as well?
Let's get training.
Amazes.
I want candy. I want candy.
Sorry, get that out.
That's my favourite part of the system.
Mine too. We should provide them with a manual. Just shit.